Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience. Let's dive in. So hi guys, and welcome to this video where I'll show you step by step how you can use SurveyMonkey. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into SurveyMonkey.com. This is the home page. So what is SurveyMonkey? SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports, ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers. SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions. With various templates and customizable options, it makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So first of all you have to do is just click register with his email address or use free registration. So once you click over here and also use other options like Google or Apple, you will find this page. Let's get to know you. I'm using SurveyMonkey for work or education or personal. You choose the one you are, then you have here the second page, which is what you want to do. Firstly, we have start from scratch. Begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then we have used a quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have the last one, which is built with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. So you'll find this page after you choose the one you want. So all I have to do right now is click over create survey, but before let's know how you can do that. So using SurveyMonkey as a beginner is straightforward. First, sign up for a free account on the SurveyMonkey website. Once logged in, click on the create survey button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next, use the drag and drop editor to add various question types such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your survey by adjusting the theme and adding a title and description. After you have added all your questions, preview your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the collect responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey, via email, a link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built-in analytics tools, which provide insights into the data collected. With these steps, you will be able to create and manage survey effectively. So here we have, you click over create survey and you will find this. First of all, you add a logo by uploading on your computer. We have your title also. So we have here two things: options first and edit. So about options, we have the first thing require an answer to this question. We have number of choices respondent must answer. We have here at least, at most, exactly, a range to all. For I will choose at most. For example, we have, let's click and let's choose 4. Then we have here display this error message when this question is not answered. So we write here something. Then we have here add custom feedback to question: correct answer, incorrect answer, partially correct answer. Then we have changed the layout for how choices are displayed: 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, and we have here horizontal also. If we scroll down, we have randomize, sort, or flip choices. Does not apply to other or no one of the above answer choices. You can choose randomized choices for each respondent, so as you want alphabetically sort choices. Then you have flip choices for each respondent. Then we have here do not flip last answer choice. Then we have here adjust question layout, for example place next to previous, start question on a new row. Then we have fixed question width here, percent or fixed how many pixels also here. Then we have question spacing. I choose here 2 in the top right I choose also 2, in the bottom I choose 2, and the left I choose 2. You can choose the one you want and the number that you want. Then we have enable question text A/B test random. About this one, we have start A/B test by adding your question test variation in edit tab. Click below to get started. Then you click over the next question and you click over save after you're done. That's our options. Then we have your edit. We have the first things A here. You can add or you can just remove someone here. We have here 10, as you can see, we have 10 of this. Then you can just check boxes here, write your questions. Then you have here answer genius. You can just switch on this one, a great deal. You can choose approve, better, worse, always, never, the easy, difficult, interested, not interested. Then you have here, it's completed. You can add a point here. You can also add how many as you want here. Then also we have page logic here, page skip logic, question randomization, page randomization. Then we have more actions here, copy page, edit page info, require questions also. Then we have here use preview answer choices. Then we have add another answer option or comment, for example library here, so you must save it here. We have also display an answer choice, and we have here when the answer is left blank display this error, you can just enter a comment here, and we have size here, characters. If you choose paragraph, how many lines, for example 15 lines. Then we have validation here, make sure a date also. Then we have when the answer is invalid, display this error message. So this is how our settings and themes. Also here you can choose the background also, as you can see I changed the background. Then we have logic here, build also, style, logic, option, question bank, format, page features, print also. And this is how it works. With SurveyTime you can just get started. So SurveyTime is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on quality in your questions, keep your survey concise, and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch my issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. And you have just to know this information like products here, models, and also resources, enterprise, and other information. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.